Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to withdraw money from Binance to bank account. So Binance offers various ways of withdrawal and conversion of the Bitcoin into real money. So in order to withdraw your Binance funds, you'll have to simply click on the wallets icon at the bottom right side of the screen. Now you will see four options: deposit, withdraw, buy and transfer. Now click on the withdraw option, and in this you'll have to choose P2P trading. So if you want to sell it in your currency, you can choose sell in your currency. Now enter the amount that you want to sell. So for example, if I will have 500 USDT Bitcoins, I will have to select USDT in this crypto list, then choose the amount, then click on preview order. Also, I'll have to click on receive method and choose UPI, bank transfer or whatever method that will be available. Click on confirm. Now you'll have to click on the preview order, and this will instantly take you to a page where you would be successfully able to withdraw your amount. Now, if you want to withdraw your money from Binance to your bank account directly, click on the withdraw option, choose P2P trading. Here, if you're new, choose I'm new to P2P. If you already have an experience, choose yes, I have P2P trading experience. Now, here you will see various listings for the USDT Bitcoin that will be available. Now, I will have to click on this USDT icon and choose the type of coin, that is the type of Bitcoin that I have in my account. So I will choose USDT. I'll click on amount, choose the amount that I want to sell or buy. Also, make sure you click on the sell option at the top of the screen. After you click on sell, the list of people who will be buying Bitcoins right now will be seen on this page. Just choose the amount that you want to withdraw, click on payment and select your payment method, click on confirm, and you will see the list of people with the filter you would have applied. Simply click on sell option after any trader that you think is good to sell to. After this, enter the amount that you want to withdraw, choose the payment method, scroll down and click on place order. After you click on place order, this will instantly place an order for the person to buy Bitcoin from you, and they will instantly deposit the money for the crypto they are buying into your bank account. So the best way to withdraw money from Binance to bank account is person to person trading. That is selling your Bitcoin on Binance and receiving the payment directly into your bank account from the buyer. So that's how you withdraw money from Binance to bank account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.